Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Megur, also known as Avi, and I am a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the COSRX Advanced 96 Snail Essence, and I really wanted to make this video for a very long time. I wanted to talk about its benefits on the skin. I wanted to talk about what are the different ingredients present in this one, and I also wanted to show you how the consistency actually looks like. If you've been using it, you already know that it's a very slimy consistency. You just apply like a drop, and one drop and two drops is like more than enough for your face. If you see its consistency, it's very sticky, it's very slimy, and it's just like the mucin produced by the snail. So I just wanted to talk a bit more about how it looks, and when you apply it, you see a little bit of product goes a long way. It glides so well on your skin, and it just gets absorbed in few seconds. It's just such an amazing product. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. I'm going to be breaking down all the ingredients, and also I'm going to be talking how my skin improved using this particular product. So the first ingredient is snail secreted filtrate. So it is basically produced by the garden snails. There are like particular type of snail which produces this mucus layer to protect its skin. So it is its natural biology to produce this mucus. So this mucus is taken up by the Asian culture and used for the wound healing purposes. So it is also used for the hydration. So these snail mucin have small peptides which is actually taken up by the human skin cells, and it actually improves the hydration and also improves the overall structure of our human skin, which helps with the anti-aging benefits. So there is a lot of research going on the production of the snail mucin, and there is like no harm done to the snail in this process. Only the mucus has been collected and it has been filtered out till we get to the satisfying product, and then it is used for making the different skincare ingredient. So Korea has come up, actually Korea, COSRX is the first company to do this, and they really liked it. There are different companies as well. So when I was going through one research paper over there, I saw that the COSRX has taken the patent for making this thing, and they have the most like abundant production of this snail mucin. The garden snail actually produces different peptides for protection of its own skin, and when applied on the skin of the human, it actually has shown that it improves the biological function of the human skin cell, which is really plus when you want to see the great effects of your skin glowing. So as it has really hydrating properties, it is used for only the skincare and skin wound healing purposes. So this is like a really positive ingredient that the COSRX came up with. As the first ingredient is a snail secretion filtrate, it is the dominating ingredient. And following to that is betaine. So betaine is also known as humectant. So humectant needs a lot of water molecules to hold to it, and that is like a powerful water magnet, and it can draw out water from the deep layers of your skin. So basically this whole formulation is used for the hydration. If you see the first and second ingredient, they are used for the hydration purpose. So my suggestion would be that if you're applying this product, rather damp your skin, or just after shower when your skin is a bit wet and soaked and damp, then that is the right time to apply this particular product on your face as well as on your neck. Then there is butylene glycol. It is also a humectant. Well, there is one thing that I keep telling my subscribers and everyone who asks me for the skincare suggestion. When you have a high amount of humectant, you need to drink adequate amount of water. If you don't drink high amount of water, what happens is that this humectant starts to draw out the water from the deep layers of your skin, which can lead to more dryness. And then I saw there is sodium hyaluronate, another humectant, also known as hyaluronic acid. So if you see this formulation, it is very much, towards hydration. And if you want some serum which needs to improve like natural glow on your face, then this is the one that you have to invest in. It is very affordable. I purchased it on the website for 15 euros, and sometimes it's 17 euros if you take it from the shop. So it's not more than 20 euros for sure. It is very inexpensive, effective, promising results. So how do I apply this product? I take like 2 drops of it, and 2 to 3 depends if I want to apply it on my necks. I take like 3 drops and I apply it everywhere, and it's such a nice product. It goes like, glides everywhere. It just sits on my skin, gets absorbed in seconds, and it has a nice shine to it when you apply it. And then the one thing that I always keep in mind, because it has high amount of humectant, I do apply this product just after my shower routine. I also after washing my face in the morning, I just apply it, and in the evening when I take shower, I apply this serum, and it has shown positive results for me. For me, the first thing it improved was the hydration on my face, especially when I live in a cold place. My skin tends to dry out very often. So I wanted a serum that can actually improve the hydration on my face, and this serum did wonders with that. The second thing that I saw, that my skin texture had improved, and it did not have any breakouts. It did not have any sort of new pimple popping up. So my skin had been not so clear before. I think this product does do wonders. My personal opinion about this product is that I will keep purchasing it because it is one of my top loved product. It's always there in my shelf, my skincare shelf. I'm always using this product, and I also love its all-in-one cream, which I'm gonna be soon making a video on, and I'm gonna be disclosing all the ingredients in that one. So there are some like drawbacks of that all-in-one cream, but packaging, the quality, the price, everything rocks about this. You need to invest, you need to try this product out. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel to grow, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.